A question I'm often asked, almost always, is when are we done with this agile adoption? Well, it's a continuous process, and it's actually one of my exit criteria when I work with clients. Once we have a sustainable feedback loop working organizationally, I'm done. Like, you don't need me anymore. You get the joke and you can tell it. The whole point of agile is continuous inspection and adaptation. The more complex the situation is, the shorter the feedback loop. So you're never done with agile adoption. There's no phases with agile adoption. There's bringing in the processes and practices and then building and adapting the practices, the events, the techniques that suit your organization to help your whole organization grow and learn. So you might have sorted out development. Awesome. What about delivery? What about product? What about accounting? What about finance? Are you using rolling forecast? Are you using lean agile practices in procurement? Are you enabling better, stronger partnerships for your organization to thrive and survive? How tight is the customer feedback loop? Are you using iterative practices on the support desk? Is everything just recorded once, written in a document, blessed by iTool, and then ignored? Are you collaborating as an organization? Or is there still unilateral behavior? Are you using metrics to guide your understanding and learning constantly? Are you changing your metrics? Do you have a dashboard? So all of this stuff can always be improved. Like, there's no such thing as the perfect organization. So the good news is the practices that have helped you with your initial adoption are the same ones that you use for your continual business growth. And this is where you would open up and start looking at various other models and things and not being, overly stressed or worried about it. You might be looking at different organizational topologies. You might be looking at different structures or frameworks. That's cool. And so considering this stance of curiosity of positive intent, which is the way I would encourage all coaches, scrum masters, and leaders to stand in, go and learn different stuff. Look outside the little agile echo chamber bubble. Is there some other things that we can pull in? And don't throw everything away. We had this really cool practice that worked for us in classic project management. Well, keep it. Nothing says you can't. So iterating, growing, learning iteratively is the intent. So you should never be done with continuous improvement. Clue is in the title.